So sensor type dot get type, which is an integer, is equal to our sensor class dot type pressure. Then we have these braces, or the curly brackets, sorry, and then we have we can say that this is a pressure value. We can place it here. These two go at the end. String value changed should be defined outside. That's it. One is boolean, one is integer. Yes, the problem is that we should not have an assignment here. We should have an equal to sign here. And now value might not have been initialized. Let's make it null, or let's make it for identification 0.00. If this is nothing is right, we should get this if there is no value in from any of these two sensors. Now simply copy this and paste it right below, and now change the sensor type to type ambient temperature. Type ambient temperature is here, and now change this text here as ambient temperature value is this. Now we got to run our application again. So now it will print first the pressure value and the temperature value. You know, it will print the values in the groups, because it's going to, because we have both the sensors, so it's going to read the values from both the sensors. It's going to print them in groups, you know, like one first it will print this one. Whenever it will come to this on sensor data change function, then it will print this one, and then, you know, you see, pressure value, ambient temperature, pressure value, ambient temperature is 0.0, always in the groups. Now the problem is that ambient temperature value is 0.00. Let's change it to 32.8. Let's see what value we have now. 32.8. Pressure is 608. So let's change the pressure to 997. Pressure is, so it was 89 once during the change, now it is 997. It is 332 is this is 61 the ambient temperature. Now this is 61, so pressure is 997.7 and ambient temperature is 61.0. Again, pressure 997.7 and ambient temperature 61.0. Now we can put it here, 383. Pressure will be 83, and this should be 100. Now the pressure is, so it is at 97. Pressure value is 383. At 97, maybe we had a small stop, and then the value got noted, and now the ambient temperature value is 100 and pressure value is 383.3. So this is a brief description of how our pressure values and temperature values can be read from the sensors inside our device. Now these values are kind of, you can say, stored in our gateway, which is the sensor, which is the Android phone storage, and now from the gateway we can send it to any server or any cloud or whatever. This cloud is also a server, which is web based, and it has, you know, a presentation layer, a web interface or something, and it has a database or whatever, you know, storage or whatever, you know. So in the same way, we can simply send it to a PC, these values, you know, a small simple computer, and with the help of a Java application which will be acting as a server, we can read them, you know.